in this video, we some brilliant artwork for a music video, sound in slow motion. There's dancing, music is always music of sound. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to the video of the slow motion. The last week we did a new artist of a new artist by a new artist by Sean Steele. Made the song sound in slow motion in the songwriting contest last year. And the artist the storyline is amazing. What is the we'll be very edit and edit movie and it's gonna be amazing. So for the last 16 weeks we were shooting the video. The video takes place in the city of Wyoming, New York. Two videos and it's an incredible video. This is a we showed you the artist. See, you can see an artist that is a scene at the Steele House in New York City. Look, Colossi in the Steele House. In the backyard scene. The storyboard. It's information of the music. This is a song playing the music and all the composers. Composed by Sean Steele. It's very the song. Everything we do. Look at this. This is the picture. Sorry, what we call with the composer with the song sound in slow motion, doing the lyrics of the songs and the composing. This is the this is I most in the story. It will be the music. It's cool. Make a country music video. It was one of the most. This is the bedroom scene. The bell show takes place. In the music. 2, 3, this artist. I wouldn't want Christmas, last Christmas, and I went, what was that? For my video of the Wolf Band video.